Have you ever stared at your phone screen, anxiously tapping your foot, waiting for that money to hit your account? You initiated the transfer from your Ally account, but silence. Nada. Is it there yet? We've all been there. Maybe you're waiting on a paycheck deposit, a reimbursement from a friend, or that sweet cash back you earned. Whatever the reason, that transfer limbo can be a real nail-biter. But fear not, fellow Ally users. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Ally transfers, specifically how long that wait actually takes. We'll break down the different types of transfers, explore those pesky factors that can slow things down, and even discuss some ways to potentially speed up the process. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get those transfer anxieties under control. The Ally transfer breakdown, it's all about the destination. First things first, the speed of your Ally transfer depends entirely on where that money is headed. Here's the lowdown on the three main transfer types. Ally to Ally transfers, this is the good news. Transfers between your Ally accounts, whether it's checking, savings, or an investment account, are typically the fastest. We're talking minutes, sometimes even instant. That's the magic of keeping things in-house. Ally to other banks, the external transfer. Here's where things get a little slower. Standard transfers to other banks usually take around 3 business days. So, if you initiate a transfer on Monday, expect to see those funds by Thursday. Ally Invest transfers, this one requires a slight detour. Transfers between your Ally bank account and your Ally Invest account can take anywhere from a few minutes to 5 business days. The exact timing depends on the type of Ally Invest account you have. The speed bumps, what can slow down your transfer? Now, life and bank transfers aren't always perfect. There are a few things that can potentially delay your transfer. Weekends and holidays, banks don't operate 24/7, folks. Transfers initiated on weekends or holidays won't start processing until the next business day. So, factor that wait time in. Verification needs, sometimes, Ally might need to verify some additional information before sending out your transfer. This could be due to a large transfer amount or a new recipient account. Just be prepared to answer any questions they might have. The other bank's speed, remember, Ally can only control their side of the equation. If the receiving bank is slow on the uptake, that can add extra days to the wait. Tips for a speedy transfer: initiate early and be strategic. Alright, so we covered the potential delays. But what if you absolutely need that money to arrive ASAP? Here are some strategies to consider. Initiate transfers early in the week. By starting your transfer early in the week, you avoid any weekend delays and give yourself the best chance of a smooth, 3-day transfer. Consider next-day transfers if eligible. Ally offers next-day transfer options for certain accounts that meet their eligibility criteria. Check with Ally to see if you qualify for this faster service. Communicate with the recipient. If you're sending money to a friend or family member, let them know about the transfer timeframe. This can help manage expectations and avoid any unnecessary confusion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.